Okay, I'm gonna make a quick update on the E30. My buddy just left. We put the transmission onto the S50 finally. So that's pretty much ready to drop in. I actually need to take the valve cover off and tighten down the head bolts. Let's go over there. I got the cardinal red rear interior in. I have the front door cards too, but obviously I need to do like windows and all that before I put those on, but this is how it looks. Actually, let me go over here. That's a better angle. Let me block this light out. There we go. So that's the E46 seat that I reupholstered. And then that's the rear cardinal red that I bought. I'm actually gonna buy a new upper rear seat because there's a couple tears on the top. Found one for 125 bucks. That's in mint condition, so I'm gonna scoop that and then it should be looking pretty good. But yeah, I'm loving the cardinal red. Bay is still the same. Everything else is pretty much the same. That engine was sitting right here forever and the transmission had been sitting there. I actually helped him wrap up his Mercedes 190e build yesterday. And then he lit a fire under my ass and said I needed to get this done. So he showed up and helped me get all this shit put together. So yeah, that's really all the updates I have for the E30. My goal is to have this in the car and running in the next month. Shouldn't be really too hard from this point forward. But yeah, as I had mentioned in my previous videos, we are in the process of cleaning up the house and getting ready to list it. We also have 2 litters of puppies on the way, so it's gonna be probably gonna be a hectic 2024, honestly. But yeah, that's life. So yeah, I'm gonna put a couple clips of my buddy's 190E in here just because it's sick. And I thought you guys, if you like E30s, you'll like this 190 for sure. It's got a wide body kit on it. It's not finished, but it looks mean. So yeah, I'll go ahead and insert that in here. Just wanted to give you guys an update and not leave the channel hanging for too long. So not sure when the next video will be, but I will see you then. Later. One can get my satisfaction.
You got it? Yeah. Sick. Proud of you, son. All right. It's there. So now we're gonna put...
All right.